How to set up recurring payments on Amazon Pay. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to easily start your recurring payment and set it up for your monthly subscription on Amazon Pay. First off, you're going to head over to your web browser and go to Amazon Pay. Log into your account. Now, as you can see here, I don't have any balance, but if you do have balance on your Amazon Pay, you can easily set up your subscriptions or recurring payments. So right here, scroll down and find the subscription that you want to add as your recurring payment. I'll just go over to recharge and bills. It's a zero fee, so I'll just go over to mobile recharge for now. You can easily add your 10-digit mobile number here to set up your auto recharge or auto subscription. So I'll just go ahead and enter the number. Once you have added your number, it will show you your service provider and where it is. Then all you have to do is tap on plan amount. So just tap on view plans and you can easily select your subscription plan. So I'll just tap on view plans for now. And you can find the validity, talk time, and data. So you will find all of these unlimited plans, entertainment plans, international roaming, and more. So just select the plan that you'd like to set up as recurring payment, and you're going to be good to go. So just tap on pay now, and it will automatically be set up as a recurring payment. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.